Hi guys, if your Owlet Dream sock won't connect to Wi-Fi or keep failing during the setup, this issue is usually relating to the network compatibility or the pairing sync. So in this guide, you are going to learn the most common causes and the fixes that actually work. So the Owlet Dream sock doesn't support the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi during the setup. So make sure that your phone is connected to a 2.4 gigahertz network before pairing. Now, many of the modern routers combine both the bands automatically, which can confuse the Owlet base station during the connection. After doing so, you need to place the DreamSock base within a few feet of your router temporarily, because sometimes the weak signal strength can cause the setup loops and unable to connect errors when the Wi-Fi password is correct. Avoid pairing the thick walls or the metal furnitures. After doing so, you can just simply open your Owlet Dream application on your phone. Then when you log in into your account, you can just simply remove the existing device if it partially connected before. Then simply restart the app and start setup from the beginning. You can also scan the QR code again if it is prompted. Half completed setups commonly cause the repeated connection failures, so make sure that you do it. Now, on your phone, if you are using any kind of VPNs or proxy DNS or smart Wi-Fi switching, I highly recommend you to first of all disable them, because these can interrupt the connection. So these are the steps that can fix most of the Owlet DreamSock Wi-Fi problem. And if they do so, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you.